This one's definitely going to need a video because this is so unusual. I had to upgrade to a quarter for scale. Let's get a length on this. Approximately a little bit of 3 7/8, almost 4 inches. Look at this. I'm just going to zoom in there a little bit. There's the arrow in there. I believe that hole is what you use to like mount it to the faceplate. There's this mechanism right in here. So it appears to be 2 on this side, 2 on this side. So this is a setting, and this is a setting. 2 what? Well, it appears that, well, there's these two. Jeez, it's hard to, like, there's 2 connections on this side, and as soon as you do this, it connects to these 2 plates on that side. See if we can get it. Do that one more time. See, like that connection there. Well, there's this plate and this plate are touching. This plate and this plate are touching. This one's open. This one's open. Do that one more time slowly so that we can see that happening. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insulated, of course. I hope I illustrated that well enough.